Hey guys, how is everybody doing today? I hope everybody's doing good. Alright guys, so we do have some more spoilers for the August BoxyCharm box. Now this is the standard box, of course. You know the BoxyLuxe box won't be out until September. These spoilers are confirmed, so these will be in the box. The first one that we already know about is the Becca Cosmetics Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. So next we have the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. You will either get that or the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. Never heard of that brand. This looks like a very interesting product. Of course, as soon as they reveal any more spoilers, I will keep you guys updated. And as always, BoxyCharm will be linked below if you do want to go check them out. And always make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also, guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.